Alam Khan, one of those who invited Babur to invade India, an uncle of Ibrahim Lodi and pretender to throne of the Delhi. During the annexation of Afghanistan, who invited Babur to invade India? Daulat Khan, Mughal ruler of medieval India, were Chagatai Turk. Who among the following defeated Babur in the Battle of Sar-e-Pul? Sayabani Khan. Which Mughal emperor followed Ottoman system of war in India? Babur. First battle of Panipat was fought between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. Main reason for Babur's victory in the battle of Panipat, his skilled warfare. The reason for Babur's victory over the Ibrahim Lodi, skilled commandant. At which of the following battle was artillery used for the first time by one of the two armies? First battle of Panipat. Babur defeated first battle of Panipat, Ibrahim Lodi. Babur defeated Sultan Ibrahim Lodi Panipat 1526, 21 अप्रैल 1526. Not pair correctly matched. फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ पानीपत 1526, खानवा 27, घाघरा 29, बैटल ऑफ चंदेरी 30 नहीं, बैटल ऑफ चंदेरी 28, मेदिनी राय और बाबर के बीच में, और खानवा बाबर और राणा संगा के बीच में, घाघरा बाबर और अफगान रूलर के बीच में. अरेंज द क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर. फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ पानीपत, बैटल ऑफ खानवा, फिर घाघरा, फिर चंदेरी, फिर घाघरा. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग. द अराइवल ऑफ बाबर इन इंडिया लेड to establish of Timurid dynasty in this region. Arrival of Babur into India led to the introduction of gunpowder in the subcontinent, introduction of arch and dome in the region's architecture, established of Timurid dynasty in the region. Battle with Babur declared jihad. Battle of Khanwa. Rana Sanga fought against Babur. Khanwa. Mewar who was defeated. Battle of Khanwa. Rana Sanga. Battle of Khanwa, Rana Sanga. Zahiruddin Muhammad adopted brother name Babur. Babur adopted title Padshah first at Kabul. Emperor of Babur included area of Punjab, area of modern Uttar Pradesh. Identified the Mughal emperor whose success in life due to Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur. Hindu state has been mentioned by Babur in his Baburnama, Mewar. Babur wrote his memoirs in Turkey. Babur wrote Tuzuke Babri in Chagati, Turkey. Tuzuke Babri written in Turkish. Babri Mosque established in Ayodhya. Mir Baki. Humayun or Sher Shah. From the following name identify the one who was not brother of Humayun. Usman. Kamran Akshari or Hindal Babur का भाई. Son of Babur. Arrange the following date. चौसा देवरा, चौसा कन्नौज, सिरहंदी. देवरा 1532 में, चौसा 1539 में, कन्नौज 1540 में, सिरहंदी 1555 में. Rao Jayasingh Chanda. Who among the following has defeated the Rao Jayasingh, the ruler of Bikaner? Kamran. Who among the following made an offer of Humayun that he would surrender Bihar to pay annual tribute 10 lakh dinar if he was allowed to retain Bengal? Sher Shah. two rulers fought the Battle of Kannauj, Sher Shah or Humayun. From where did Farid, who later on becomes Sher Shah Suri, get his education? Jaunpur. Mentioned below as highly educated Sher Shah, Hazrat Ila and afterwards Sultan Sher Shah Suri. Done by the Sher Shah Suri. Revenue reforms, administration reform, military reform, currency system reform. After the downfall of Delhi Sultanate, who was the first ruler to issue gold coin? Sher Shah. नहीं, हुमायूं. हुमायूं invaded Chunar port first time 1532. बैटल ऑफ दौरा 1532, बैटल ऑफ चौसा 1539, बैटल ऑफ कन्नौज 1540, बैटल ऑफ समूगढ़ 1658. Humayun defeated Muhammad Lodi in Battle of Dora. Sher Shah defeated Humayun in Battle of Kannauj. Battle of Samurgarh fought between Dara Shikoh and his younger brother Aurangzeb and Murad Bakhsh. Battle of Chausa fought between Sher Shah and Humayun. Constructed a Muslim for her emperor husband Haji Begum. Who introduced coin of silver? Sher Shah. Exchange rate of silver rupiah 64:1. Pure silver rupiah was issued by Sher Shah. Sher Shah Suri. He was architecture of brilliant administrative system. Death of Sher Shah Suri occurred in Kalinjar. Last expedition of Sher Shah Suri was against which of the following? Kalinjar. I would have lost the empire just for the handful of millet. Sher Shah. From which place Jaita and Kumpa associated, who impressed Sher Shah with their valor? Marwar. Where is mausoleum of Sher Shah? Sasaram. Sher Shah tomb Sasaram. Sher Shah buried Sasaram. Monument constructed by Sher Shah Suri. Qila-e-Kuna at Delhi. Purana Qila Sher Shah. Qila-e-Kuna Sher Shah. Purana Qila Sher Shah. सासाराम टॉम्ब और Qila-e-Kuna मॉस्क इस शेर शाह का. पट्टा एंड काबिलियत टू हेल्प पीजेंट शेर शाह. कंस्ट्रक्टेड अ रोड फ्रॉम ईस्ट बंगाल टू पेशावर कॉल्ड सड़क-ए-आजम शेर शाह. ग्रैंड ट्रंक रोड. सक्सेसर ऑफ शेर शाह सूरी इस्लाम शाह. Among the following rules divided his troops into unit of 200 and 250 and 500. Islam Shah was the son of Sher Shah. Akbar. Which of the following placed Akbar enthroned on getting the information of Humayun's death? Kalanor. Consider the following statement regarding Bairam Khan. Bairam Khan. Akbar gave the title of Khane-Khana to Bairam Khan. Main aim of Akbar in fighting the Battle of Haldighati to subdue Rana Pratap. Battle of Haldighati 1576. Famous Battle of Haldighati between Akbar and Maharana Pratap was fought in the year 1576. Rana Pratap army in Battle of Haldighati. Commander Hakim Khan. Who was the commander-in-chief Rajput Maharana Pratap? Hakim Khan. Hakim Sur. Commander-in-chief of Maharana Pratap Rajput Army Hakim Khan. Chief Commander of Maharana Pratap's Rajput Army Haldighati में Hakim Khan Sur. Akbar in 1605 Gondwana Lahore. First matrimonial alliance with Rajput was established by Akbar with the house of Kachhawaha. First to have matrimonial alliance with Akbar. Kachhawa, Muslim Dargah at the which Chishti saint was visited by Akbar. Say Moinuddin Chishti, personally killed by Akbar. Adam Khan, Rajputana state did not accept the supremacy of Akbar willingly. Mewar, his struggle for the independence against Mughal and did not surrender. Rao Chandra Sen of Marwar, Durgavati who fought against Akbar was the queen of Mandala. Abul Fazl's death caused by Prince Salim. Which one of the following factor is not conducive in establishing Akbar as a nationalist? Akbar had 4 seconds Islam. Cause of Akbar's popularity were Mansabdari system, religious policy, land revenue system, social reform. Muslim ruler abolished the pilgrimage tax. Akbar. Who among the following emperor may be called an enlightenment despot? Akbar. Chronological. Akbar marries Prince of Amber 1562. Battle of Tukaroy 1575. Mughal invasion of Malwa 1561. Karani conquest Odisha 1568. Man should marry only one wife and could marry another only when the first wife was barren. Akbar. Akbar tried to fix age of marriage for boys and girls. Akbar gave the freedom of girls to marry at their own will and not under parental pressure. Reign of Akbar is known as annexation of region, provincial administration system, judicial administration. The head of the military department under the recognized central machinery of the administration during Akbar's reign was Mir Bakshi. Military system in the reign of Akbar was based on Mansabdari. Mansabdari system introduced ensuring clean administration. First person to give given proper status of the Diwan by Akbar was Muzaffar Khan Turbati. Mansabdari system introduced by Akbar borrowed from the system followed by Mongolia. During the time of Akbar, for every 10 cavalry men, the Mansabdar had to maintain 20 horse. Horse had to be rested while on march and replacement were necessary in times of war. Japti system was introduced by Akbar, in which measures Todar Mal achieved the fame. Land revenue system, Bandobast system, Dahsala. Todar Mal associated to land revenue reforms. Abul Fazl was the author of Ain-e-Akbari. Between Sher Shah and Akbar in land revenue administration measure Todar Mal. During Akbar period, Ain-e-Dahsala, Todar Mal. Din-e-Ilahi, Akbar launched Din-e-Ilahi 1582. Din-e-Ilahi Akbar. Constructed Ibadat Khana Akbar. Ibadat Khana at Fatehpur Sikri was the hall in which Akbar held discussion with the scholars of various religions. Shan-e-Fatehpur Jama Masjid, which is not Fatehpur Sikri. Akbari Mahal was located in Fort of Agra. जोधा भाई महल और पंच महल, दीवाने आम, दीवाने खास, बिरबल की कोठी are some of them. Historical monument in which the synthesis of Persian and Indian style architecture. Humayun tomb. Theory of Sul-e-Qula Akbar. Sul-e-Qula, political generosity, religious tolerance, liberal cultural attitude. Fatwa issued from Jaunpur Akbar. Constructed Buland Darwaza at Fatehpur Sikri Akbar. Buland Darwaza constructed at Fatehpur Sikri by Mughal Akbar. Buland Darwaza, Gujarat. Akbar constructed Buland Darwaza to commemorate his victory in Gujarat. Built by Akbar, Buland Darwaza Jama Masjid. Mughal Emperor introduced educational reform. Akbar. Finest monument constructed by Akbar are found in Fatehpur Sikri. Akbar architects like Buddhist monastery Panch Mahal. Built by Akbar in Fatehpur Sikri, the Buddhist architecture followed by Panch Mahal. Akbar constructed Fatehpur Sikri Panch Mahal. Jahangir Mahal is located in Agra. Tomb of Akbar located at Sikandra. Not constructed in the reign of Akbar. Red Fort शाहजहां के टाइम का है. आगरा फोर्ट, इलाहाबाद फोर्ट और लाहौर फोर्ट अकबर के टाइम का. बाबर का टॉम काबुल में, हुमायूं का दिल्ली में, अकबर का सिकंदरा में, जहांगीर का लाहौर में. Translation of Mansabdari into Persian in time of Akbar was carried out under the supervision of Faizi. Translated the Mahabharata into Persian, Abdul Qadir Baduni. Persian translation of Mansabdari is titled as Razmnama. Persian translation of Mahabharata, which was done in 16th century, is called Razmnama. Razmnama is the Persian translation of Mahabharata. Who translated Ramayana into Persian language? Abdul Qadir Badoni. Translated Ramayana into Persian language. Abdul Qadir Badoni. Honor of Jari Kulam by King Akbar. Muhammad Hussain. Jain monk who stayed for a few years in the court of Akbar was honored with the title of Jagat Guru was Hari Vijay Suri. Jagat Guru by Akbar, Hari Vijay Suri. Famous Jain scholar Hari Vijay Suri. Famous painter of Mughal Emperor Akbar, Daswant. India ruler contemporary of Queen Elizabeth I of the England was Akbar. First ruler to English East India Company was formed, Akbar. Medieval India, discovery of America, Abul Fazl. First Englishman who visited Akbar's court, Rapla Fitch. Abolition of Jizya, construction of इबादत खाना, साइनिंग ऑफ मजहर, फाउंडेशन ऑफ दीन इलाही. जजिया एबोलिश किया था 1564 में, इबादत खाना 1575 में, मजहर साइनिंग ऑफ मजहरनामा 1579 में, दीन इलाही 1582 में. Who among the following is true about the priest who were sent to Akbar's court to resolve his curious towards Christianity in 1595 by Goa Church Authority? This was third mission of Goa Church Authority, which was sent to Akbar's court. This session met Akbar in Lahore. Antonia Moreste was included in this mission. Akbar merged Bengal and Bihar in his empire 1576.